Let's talk about solving your biggest supply chain issues with just one plastics partner.
You know the drill, right? Multiple vendors, frustrating delays, and a whole lot of risk.
It's a huge difference. You've got the old, messy way versus a single, seamless journey. So Vantage Plastics built a solution. A family of companies all working as one ecosystem.
All right, so how does it all work? Well, each company has a very specific job. And get this, it all started on a placemat. Talk about a strategic vision, right?
So your idea becomes a real product, all under one roof. No outside vendors needed. What does this mean for you? Well, it's way faster. Delays that took weeks now take days. But it's not just about speed. This setup actually sparks some pretty unique innovations.
Like their material, Vantac. It's an alternative to TPU that's lighter, cheaper, and totally recyclable.
Or check out VanStack. It's a design that boosts strength by 45%, using less material.
All this innovation, it's really about building what's called a true circular economy.
And the engine making it all happen is their recycling company, Edge Materials Management. They reprocess over 13 million pounds of industrial plastic every single year. That's huge.
And here's the kicker, their guaranteed buyback program. Basically, nothing ever goes to waste.
But this whole model, it's about way more than just making plastic parts. Their mission is called Forming Better Lives, and they actually live it, supporting their community.
They even founded a nonprofit, the Well Outreach, to give back and build up the community. So that's the full circle, a process that makes better products and, well, stronger communities.
So the real question is, are you ready for this kind of full circle future?